Good morning, everybody. This is Hari Swaminathan from OptionTiger.com, and I'm excited to announce 4 new courses on Udemy. These courses were just launched. I'm making this quick video to explain all these 4 courses in very brief detail. They're advanced level courses for the most part, and they're on futures, trading and hedging with futures as well as options on futures. And then we have the short straddles. So this is basically an earnings trade, and if you want to take advantage of volatility crush, then how you would do it. The 4th course is on index and ETF trading, and for many kinds of investors this would be ideal, so we're going to look at this one as well. So without any further delay, let me show you these 4 courses on the Udemy channel, and then we'll come back and look at the Memorial Day specials for this weekend. The first course we look at is Introduction to Futures Trading and Live Trade Demonstration with Futures. So if you don't know, futures trade on a 24-hour cycle, and sometimes they can be very good for hedging. Even if you don't trade futures on a normal basis, even I don't, but in some circumstances, futures are very useful, at least so that you can know how to use them in case you need to use it. Futures trading is also very simple to get in, get out. So it's popular with day traders. And we'll take an example of the S&P futures, E-mini futures, which are called the ES, and some live trades are shown in this course. The next one, the advantages of ETF options and index options. So ETFs, if you know, are well-diversified instruments, and the options are actually very attractive. And there are some things about the ETF that make it so much more reward for for very little risk. So you got a lot of upside here with ETFs. So we take a deep dive into that, and also show why ETFs are ideal for longer term trades. They're actually ideal for people who have retirement accounts. There's a whole group of people for which ETFs might make a lot of sense, and so does the indices. So we'll take a look at those 2 in this course. The 3rd course is on short straddles, in which we exploit earnings option volatility crush. So this is quite an exciting trade, actually. The important part is, how do you identify a great volatility arbitrage opportunity? And that's what this course is all about. And so a little bit of analysis is involved. And this goes a long way, because once the crush happens overnight after the earnings, basically the trade is over the next day, and you can do pretty well. And this opportunity comes up 4 times a year, and it comes up on many stocks. So this is an exciting course. And finally, we have Learn Options on Futures. So these are trading 24 hours a day, just like futures. So it's more like a futures contract, but it's really options. So this is the only place where you can find options trading on a 24-hour basis. So this is also quite exciting. And even if you don't trade it on a normal basis, I would say it has significant uses when it comes to hedging, especially when there's some major crisis or major geopolitical news events happening around the world. This becomes a very, very important feature. So even if you don't trade it, I think it's an excellent weapon to have in your arsenal, because at some point you might have to use it. So all these 4 courses, you'll see that there is a coupon code, launch 2017. Here also launch 2017. For some reason on this course, the ETF course, it did not let me create that. So it's launch _ 2017. I've created launch _ 2017 for the others as well. So you can use either launch 2017 or launch _ 2017. But please do use this code. Each course with this coupon codes, you'll get it for $10. Now that is the Udemy minimum, so we cannot go below that. However, I've designed a method to go even below that. So if you buy 3 of these courses, I'll give you the 4th one free, 4 for $30. So it's about $7.50 each. And then if you buy all 4, you're going to get my next 2 courses that is coming in June for free. And those 2 courses are going to be one on covered calls, and then the other one is on butterfly spreads, advanced butterfly spreads. So both of those are interesting courses coming up. I've already started working on them, so they should be ready by June end. You must use these coupon codes launch 2017 or launch _ 2017, because that's when I get credit for it. I'm going to keep the links also on below this video in the description. That way you can just take the link directly. Those links will have the coupon code in them. If you have any questions, please send us an email, info@optiontiger.com. These are 4 exciting courses, all in the advanced category, and a lot of good weapons to put into your arsenal as far as hedging or as far as tackling earnings opportunities, volatility arbitrage opportunities, things like that. There's a preview video in every course, so you can feel free to check that out. Thank you very much and wish everybody a happy long weekend. Thank you.